Strategies, Michael Lee, and Advisors Capital Management's Joanne Feeney. Joanne, let me start with you on this. If that's the case, where should investors be positioned?
Yeah, Charles, I think the consumer is actually, by and large, made it through this pandemic pretty well off. I think we're not going to see any more massive month-to-month spikes because I think we've seen the end of the fiscal stimulus. But I still think things like housing are going to continue to keep going. This is a multi-year trend. We dramatically slowed the household formation in the great financial crisis, and that's turned on its head. So people fixing up their homes, buying new homes, putting on additions. Once the lumber prices get a little bit more under control, I expect that to pick up even more. So I look at the Home Depot, Lowe's, and Target to be putting in there. And I see, although you still have 16 million people on government assistance from some form of unemployment, I still think that by and large, consumers in great shape. We have a savings rate above 10%. So a lot of room to run for the consumer as far as I'm concerned.
And of course, that 16 million wasn't long ago 32 million. Let's talk about earnings because they are propelling a lot of today's big winners, including Salesforce. Michael Lee, I want to deviate for a moment from equities and get to crypto. Still a lot of instability there. I know you have been a fan. What do you say about what's happening now? Most long-term players in this space say this is just par for the course. Don't panic.
Yeah, Charles, absolutely. Look, this is an extremely volatile asset class. I still think in the last 10 months, I'm up over 300%. And any asset, at one point it was probably closer to 600. So these massive pullbacks is the historical norm for these types of currencies. And if you're someone trading it for fast money, good luck. But I will say, if you're a long-term holder, what's your original investment thesis for owning cryptocurrency? Is the government going to continue, governments worldwide going to continue printing money, or are they not? I think it's highly likely that the money printing press doesn't stop anytime soon, and there your investment thesis takes hold. There will be bumps in the road, right, but I'd say you want to be buying on the dips and dollar cost averaging in the same way you would in a stock portfolio.
Yeah, when you say the money printing won't stop anytime soon, I think you mean never. Hey, Greg, let me go back to you because you seem pretty sanguine and confident